come? Come with Tata.
ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Let's go. Come.
What are they doing?
They're going to put the car in. They're going to load the car.
How?
With that.
That?
Yeah.
That's the little boat.
Yeah. Come with Daddy. Hey, wanna see? Wanna look at the other boats?
No.
There.
Aí bate faiu para cotar, já desrai aqui oi.
See? Maybe we're going to go with that white one there. Maybe.
Hey, that's a snow.
Yeah. Or do you want to go with the leaky one? Can you see the leaky one? Come with me. See the one that
I don't want to go with that.
it's not leaking actually. It's just purging the water. Let's go.
I don't. When is the guy coming?
Well, he's coming soon.
Is he living next to me?
Lolek sa ritsam ni just ritsam poret eh bol. Angkat siya after ka mo toilet yun.
Where's Uncle Caddy?
Ah. You are Lloyd's there, like those are. Ah, kay Kuko.
Dank je op smaak.